Hello guys, welcome to my new tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show how to make this with Element 2D in After Effects. Let's make magic and don't forget to subscribe channel, like video. Let's go. So this is my footage, simple footage, and move to this icon for new composition. Okay, and go to effects presets. Let's search effect. Okay, and move to this video 6 seconds and finishing in last frames. Okay, solving camera, and okay, nice. Then select these points and this okay, and right mouse, null and camera. Yes, okay, this is our camera and this is null object. Right mouse, new and solid, add solid name, element 3D. Yes, and click OK. Go to effect, video copilot and element. Then go to here and scan setup. And open my simple model. Okay, nice. This is house texture. And let's make cube. Scale like this. And move to in back this home. Nice. Then go to presets and physicals and matte shadow. Let's use matte shadow in this box model. Okay, nice. And go to click OK. Then select this null object, press P in the keyboard, select this and copy, Ctrl C. Let's close and go to element null object, press P, select this and edit, Ctrl V, paste. Yes, okay, press R and let's rotate this model. Yes, and press P, move to here. Yes, nice. Rotation and okay. Nice. Then select element 2D and go to redness settings, ambient occlusion, and enable this ambient occlusion for these shadows. Let's see, it's very realistic. Nice. And intensity change 10, 7. Yes, let's close ambient occlusion and open lighting, change add lighting to cinema. This is cinematic light. Yes, and open this, we can change light. Yes, nice. Let's change some rotation like this. Okay, then let's make blur and noise. Let's make blur, search blur, Gaussian blur and move to element 3D. Yes, change 3. Okay, and let's search noise. Select this noise effect and use element 3D. Yes, and let's change amount of noise. So cool. Let's see. Okay, it's very realistic. And let's see full project. Nice, I like it. So thank you for watching my tutorial, and please like video, subscribe channel. It's very important for me. Thank you so much.